How to make a monkey refrigerator magnet. This little critter will look so cute on your fridge, you'll want to make a whole monkey family. After all, who can resist a little monkey business? You will need a sheet of plain white foam, a pencil, a pair of scissors, some poster paint, a small paintbrush, a pair of googly eyes, a magnet about the size of a quarter, and some tacky glue. Step 1. Draw the outline of a monkey on the foam. The monkey should be bigger than the magnet, but no larger than a postcard. Trace a picture from a book or magazine, or create your own monkey by drawing a circle for the stomach, a smaller circle for the mouth, and a small crescent-shaped piece for a banana. Keep the shape of your monkey simple, or it will be hard to cut out. Step 2. Use the poster paint to paint a nose, mouth, stomach, and other features on your monkey. Let the paint dry. Step 3. Glue on the googly eyes to the monkey's face with tacky glue. Step 4. Cut out the monkey and pieces. Step 5. Glue the mouth, belly, and banana onto the monkey with tacky glue and let it dry. Step 6. Glue the magnet onto the back of the monkey using a dot of tacky glue and let it dry. Now put your cheerful new pet to work holding up this week's lunchroom menu. Did you know? Capuchin monkeys are so smart they're sometimes trained to help people who are paralyzed.